This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Now, your case is there are 6 seats you have already been occupied. Had there been, I was allowed to get entry earlier, I could have occupied one of these seats. Of course, you had a chance. Now, this situation has now become irreversible. All seats are filled up. Now, what you have to assess, translate these damages, your damages into a tortious liability. I will hold so.
And there be your lordship.
Because to get a job is no answer.
There is answer.
Get a job is no answer.
This is a public employment, and my lord, merit ought to consider. My lord,
No, I understand. This is another aspect. The another aspect.
My lord, I have
That
annexed
less
documents.
meritorious candidates have been accommodated. This is another aspect. First of all, your allegation, had there the result been published on a particular date, I could have participated in the selection process. Now, all these components, my chance of success, how the damages will be assessed. How the damages will be assessed? The damages will be assessed that your chance to get the job, that could have been assessed. Even I may get a job, I may get this salary, it may continue for 30 years. That is the quantified damages I am claiming against the board for this fault. But to get a job in lieu of your damages, possibly not entertainable.
May I submit, my lord? With deepest of respect, my lord. This is not a tortious act. Why? When tortious act applies, this is a public employment. In our country, my lord, there is no right of employment. But in our country, in our constitution, there is a right, equal opportunity in public employment. That's the fundamental right, Article 16. This candidate, my lord, initially, kindly turn page number 18. I don't know whether my...
No, what? Tell me, what is this?
Page number 18, my lord, kindly see. Roll number, page number 18.
Whatever. Factually, you have participated in TET.
Yes, my lord, initially, they shows me not qualified.
That is again you are, I'm giving you this story. I'm giving you this story.
Yes.
Your client participated. Initially, he was declared unqualified, subsequently declared qualified.
Yes.
In the meantime, one selection test has passed.
Yes.
So your claim is that had there been, you have been allowed me to that selection process, TET qualified, I could have taken up the examination.
Yes.
Since that was not been done, give me the chance in that selection process. My prima facie view is that leads to a tortious liability for the board or the authority who are conducting the examination. They made a mistake because with the result, publication of the correct result shows they are admitting their mistake. Yes, you are qualified for this reason or that reason, I could not. But whether that gives you the right to get the job or get the something in lieu of job or the damages. If it is answer is that you can be compensated with damages, then of course this is a tortious liability.
My lord, with deepest of respect, my lord, this is not a tortious. Because of that, my lord, for which purpose the test is conducted? If both the test, one is teacher eligibility test as well as the selection process, both is conducted by the same authority. In this case, West Bengal Board of Primary Education. My lord is well aware the fact is that TET 2014, there are huge corruption. And that's why, my lord, CBI investigation is going on. And my lord, for that reason, my lord, initially, my lord, kindly see page number 18, very important. Initially, a candidate declared not qualified. And subsequently, in the year 2022...
All are components for assessment of your damages. That
not
corrupt practice
my lord,
are undergone.
My lord, with deepest of respect, that is not so, my lord. Even not only that, my lord, the coordinate bench passed the order for giving the employment, that my lord is oil about the fact that Soham Rai Chaudhary and others matter, they got appointment.
That is
Because of that, my lord, they subsequently declared Tet pass. My lord is oil about the fact. My lord comes to this matter in the same line. They both themselves declared.
Mr. Sanal, I need to get this clarified. What is passing through my mind?
Yes, I got your lordship. I convey, my lord.
Passing through my mind. Whatever the earlier coordinate decision, whatever the
Kept
decision,
it for next week.
a person who was initially declared a candidate that you are not qualified, he missed the chance to participate in a selection test.
This is a settled principle of law. What is fallen from your lordship?
No. Settled, but you have not been reflected anywhere in any of the
Take a
judgments.
point in the affidavit. The other affidavit we have, my lord, preparing, my lord, we have taken this point.
Already you have taken this point very well. Because Mr. Samim must be knowing you have to deal with this.
Yes, I want
have to deal
This
with
is a
it.
public employment.
You have to deal with it.
Yes, I want to deal with it.
Now, if he has missed the chance to have an appointment in a selection process, whether the remedy is to give him appointment without any selection process or arrange for another selection process in continuation of that selection process and to test his eligibility. Secondly, that I have put the second question first, or without any test, give him appointment. Right? Or his remedy would be seek for damages and all components in depriving him. Of course, not non-publication of the result. The attempt of the authority to exclude him, as according to him, he is the most eligible candidate. Thirdly, loss of income.
Yes.
For this whole period of his life, all components will be considered in assessing his right to get the damages. Is this so? Or this employment directory? These are the issue I need to get
My lord, I'm
lightened from
Yes,
all
yes.
this. Big
And I also want
2
to.
p.m. my lord, Mr. Sanal is coming, my lord.
না, আজকে রেখো না, 2 PM এ ই করো। তুমি যদি বলো next week এ রেখো।
use an affidavit then if you have got this.
Then মানে keep it to at 2 PM.
What
If,
is this?
if
Is
my
that
learned
a-
friend wants,
is
yes,
it-
no, my lord,
I am
he
not-
already,
Mr.
my lord.
Samim, I am not ordaining that I will be delivering a lecture immediately on tortious liability and damages.
No, my lord. He wants to take
Sorry.
assistance of Mr.
Sorry,
Sanal.
I appreciate, I know that the legal inhumanities are standing before me, but the question is not so simple.
Yes, no doubt about it.
Right to get or the chance to get an employment, how can be translated into damages and assessment of such damages? I don't think this has got very extempore. You can make an extempore on that.
But
You have
this-
to go do
this is-
some research
yes.
work.
Yes, absolutely.
No, but
You have
this
to
is-
do some research work.
My lord, this
that
is
this
matter
will
direct-
fix at least several matters. Those who are coming every day and saying that my results are coming, and board is rather now shaky to even admit its mistake. Yes, this. Then what is the
But this is-
consequence of this review? In all examinations, there is a procedure for review. In review, a student got pass mark. The remedy would be getting the admission in the higher class. By the time the higher class is over, no admission he got, what is his remedy? To get the pass certificate directly? Yes, he has a remedy. He has suffered a loss.
Absolutely.
Whether it can be quantified, whether he should be compensated for this loss. These are the factors you have to take into consideration. So use your affidavit and disclose everything.
My
Ashwin
lord,
Babu.
he said that otherwise my lord is well aware the fact that
Forget about
my lord,
job.
then my lord, it would be
It will
well,
come.
in the
No, not
report in the form of
issue,
it.
issue is interesting. We love to exercise our brain.
Yes, but this is a public employment with deepest of respect, although
Don't try to distinguish instantly. Think over it.
yes,
You have
I will think,
competence to think about
Yes.
it. Look, issues ought to be canvassed in the present canvassed in the present jurisdiction cannot be dealt with
এফিডেভিটটা দেবে না
appropriate
58 এফিডেভিট
একটু দিয়ে শুরু করছেন to deal with the
হ্যাঁ ওই সেই ওই মামলাগুলো যেগুলো প্যানেল পাবলিশ regarding Jharkhand matter, Group D matter, just two days back, Malad, regarding public employment. I also handed over.
yes no you analyze this, think over it, how it can dissect this thing, and you can say that the getting job is the only remedy for such a candidate.
But in that matter, Malad, Supreme Court told it, the public employment, because the equal opportunity in public employment, that's the paramount consideration in public employment matter. Because
let us consider 157, Mr. Samim.
Yes, Malad, this matter, Malad will remember that matter. Already they published the panel, Malad.
No. এইটাও তো আছে।
Yes.
What is the application about?
This application.
Can
Contempt application. Contempt application already disposed of, and Malad,
There's a CAN. There's a CAN 1 of 2024.
What is that?
Not served.
can kill on it.
খারাপ করেছে।
I have no idea. I have not. I have not.
What is the inappropriate order? দেখো তো কিসের
তাহলে
জন্য?
Lord, there was a
নাকি?
No.
তাছাড়া কি ওইটার জন্য?
Already, my lord.
Lord, I tell your lordship, my lord, there was a direction to use an affidavit, my lord.
No, what he is saying, published the board published what?
150
Merit list. On 17th December 2024, pertaining to publication of marks and ranks of the writ petitioner in respect of 2022.
This is on the strength of an interim order. My lord, there was a direction upon us to use an affidavit, my lord. We seek an extension to use an affidavit.
এটাও একই জিনিস। হ্যাঁ? তো বলে দাও তারা যদি।
They travel up to Supreme Court in this matter.
Yes.
Interim order.
My lord, interim order was assailed. Interim order was passed by the honorable single bench. That was assailed before the division bench, before the Supreme Court.
And we succeed
My lord.
to that. My lord, kindly.
Which
Second
order?
Second
Interim order?
February.
Interim order, my
2024.
lord, which is dated
2nd February
2nd February 2024.
Yeah, handed over, my lord.
It's there.
No. This is only migration.
Yes.
By way of interim relief that has been granted.
Yes.
In order of the relief subject to the final result of the writ petition.
In fact, the final relief has been granted.
Lord, we are only seeking.
Relief is the appointment. They already published the merit list, but not give it appointment.
Appointment we can't give.
Relief is the
Appointment is by the DPS.
I will get, if they says that yes, we will according to this merit list.
My lord, the direction is publish the merit list. Nothing more than that.
What the
Merit list has been published.
that is enough.
Merit list treating them as DLED qualified.
Yes.
Yes.
Them as DLED. They are possessing both qualification, NIOS and DLED.
Yes.
What their prayer is, allow us to switch over from NIOS to DLED. Because at the time in online, they have given NIOS instead of.
They had given B.Ed when Devesh Sharma was not there. Once Devesh Sharma came in, they wanted to switch over.
They were, since we are possessing also DLED, so
Yes.
treat us as a DLED qualified
Yes.
and give us the chance to remain in the field.
Yes.
So you have already in contempt petition, this order has been affirmed up to Honorable Supreme.
Yes.
This was an interim order, my lord, subject to the final. Yes.
The reasoning is a simple reason. What is the difficulty? If a candidate comes with A qualification, B qualification,
He has to apply at the threshold. He cannot switch over.
A qualification and B qualification. A qualification was uploaded and claiming to be I have A qualification under the impression B.Ed is much heavier
Yes.
than DLED.
And NCT published notification.
Bona fide approach of having B.Ed. Now Supreme Court subsequently struck down B.Ed as a qualified.
After the recruitment notification, we put them into notice that this what you have uploaded,
No.
that's subject to.
At that time, Devesh not came.
No, Devesh came. Before Devesh was our notification.
Demands.
Security,
equity
yes.
demands.
Yes.
Now, what is the position of the affidavit?
My lord, affidavit,
yet.
we will use it. Please extend the time.
In the meanwhile, they publish this list, my lord.
Okay,
3%.
in content.
Yes. In context. Yes.
List have been
We
published.
came in the yes.
And now the selection process is initiated.
Initiated. Over.
Over.
We are merit listed candidate.
They are merit listed candidates.
We are merit listed candidate petitioner according to this
Therefore,
order.
you are saving your exclusions.
Yes.
You are now
Timely made this writ petition. We are now in pursuance of the interim order. We are in merit listed candidate. Give the appointment. That's the simple thing. If they give appointment, yes, this is a simple thing.
Because
Yes.
how many petitioners are there? How many candidates alike nature are there?
40. There are 40 candidates according to this merit list. This is published by the board.
They're all the petitioners.
Yes,
there.
yes. Yes, because in
What about
person,
the others, those who are like candidates.
I have no idea about that. Because of that, this is in pursuance of the court order. They publish this merit list. So I am on that merit list also.
Would there be a cut-off date here also?
No, my lord. With deepest of respect, my lord, that order.
That will be violative of Rule 12. Rule 12 is the legislator's wisdom.
Yes.
Approved panel shall remain valid for a span of 365 days.
So the panel when expire already
30th of January 2025.
January 30 has already expired. Use your affidavit
Very
within
good.
7 days. I can give you 7 days. Weeks.
7.
I'm expressing my view prima facie. Prima facie view is that they should get appointment. As I prayed for by Mr. Shoykot Banerjee, the senior advocate for the of primary education.
Grateful.